Right from the jump, you can feel the tension. The judge is exhausted, the defendant is confused, and the whole room knows they've been through this dance way too many times. This is classic courtroom burnout when the system keeps giving chances, but the defendant keeps running in circles. And you're gonna see it explode in the next few minutes.
Right now.
So you want to do this?
I gotta do. What else you want me to do? Shoot. What else you want me to do? I can't do nothing else.
I want you to be happy, Mr. Dieterville.
Why?
Wonderful. I'm happy that you're not happy. Yeah, of course.
Judge, I'm approaching on Phil Dieterville. Do you remember him? You said you would not do time served. You wanted him to do substance abuse treatment.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything
You
until
guys came back for SATF.
Do
We
it.
have a 1 year deferred. We're gonna do, would that be acceptable?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have.
And then SATF as a condition. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Judge,
absolutely.
We're gonna get that done today. So provided.
Let's do it.
Mr. Dieterville's-
I'm with you.
Judge, on Mr. Dieterville, he said that he's not interested in doing a probation. Would you be willing to
Don't care.
consider any type of county time off?
No, if he doesn't want to, I'm gonna set his case for trial and we'll just go that route. I will not accept any more deals. I will not do anything else. With as many cases that he has, he continues to, as soon as we get out, if I had to take it, time served, what's gonna happen? We're back here in a week with another case. I'm not gonna do it anymore. And I
Judge,
told
I'll
you.
talk. Do you want us to get a trial date today, or would you want us to wait up like 2 weeks? If,
Have you gotten the evidence?
well, let me see, Judge. I don't think discovery is complete. Let me talk to the state.
Yeah, make sure it's complete and then we'll set it. And you know.
Listen
I'll
to
do
the
whatever
judge
you
here. This isn't anger. This is frustration with history. 30 charges isn't a mistake. That's a lifestyle. And she's basically telling him, I'm done being your reset button. Judges get criticized for being harsh. But this is actually accountability with a side of
And-
tough
and,
love.
You know, I'll do whatever you want to do, but no more games. I'm done with it.
Yeah, he keeps asking for county time, Judge. So
I don't care.
I'll talk.
I want more hair. I'm not gonna get it. I told you it wasn't gonna be easy, didn't I? $30 different charges. And I told you the last time, Mr. Dieterville, that if you had ever pick up another case, that I will set your case for trial and we will do DDRP, the Dual Diagnosis Residential Program. I will not continue to play this game where you pick up theft cases, plead guilty to time served, get out, and next week you pick up another case. I'm done with it. I'm not going to do it. What do you want to do now? What do you want to do now?
What I gotta do?
Sorry?
What I have to do again.
What you got to do?
Again, take probation again.
He said take probation, Judge.
How long I be in that place? What about age?
No,
6 months.
no,
Potentially 6 months.
no.
They go to probation?
You will be in the facility 6 to 9 months, depending on how well you respond to treatment. I'm done with you taking time serves and continuing to pick up cases, continuing to go to the same places where you continue to trespass and steal. That's it.
Like,
We've got now 30 charges of the same thing over and over and over.
that's bad, sir. No, yeah.
You understand what I'm
Here's the
trying to
wild
do?
part. He genuinely doesn't remember half the trespasses, and honestly, with this many cases, who would? But the judge laying them out like a grocery list shows just how repetitive the pattern is. This is where the legal system moves from punishment to intervention because jail clearly isn't fixing anything.
You know what I'm trying to do? Think about it. What am I doing?
What you wanna do? I guess, sure. I gotta deal with it again. All I got is trespass. That's it. No trespass. Golly.
How many trespasses you got, Mr. Dieterville?
Man, I don't know. I don't think, sure, I don't know, probably 2 or 3. They way old though. They super old. And they ain't in your courtroom. I never been in your courtroom for no trespass, only for theft. You thought it was, a theft. You thought it was a theft, but it's a trespass this time.
Okay, so now, May, you picked up a trespass. February of this year, theft. August, theft.
All of them.
August, another theft. August, another theft.
Yeah, that's what I'm knowing.
April, theft. January, evading arrest. January, evading arrest. I'm sorry, evading arrest, January, theft. November, theft. October, criminal trespass.
Wait, the rest.
September, criminal trespass. September, criminal trespass. July, criminal trespass.
Not you.
May, theft. May, theft. April, theft. March, theft. December, theft. November, trespass. And it goes on, and it
Not in
goes
your
on
courtroom, though.
as the day is long.
Not in your courtroom. I never caught a trespass.
They're all here, Mr. Dieterville. And I'm telling you,
It must be another judge then. I never got trespass in the courtroom. All of them there. I remember that. I gotta take probation. They go into place 6 to 9 months.
is the Saturday, can he just get up and leave?
No, it's the one where they stay.
Okay.
It's originated.
This is a facility that I want you to participate in so we can end this cycle of you picking up these cases over and over and over. And Mr. Dieterville, look at me. I'm telling you, from now on, every case, we will do this from now on until you get it. Do you understand, sir? We have to end this cycle one way or the other. And I hope that I'm doing so that this ends once and for all.
Put me in the facility. That don't make no difference. Cause I might just mess up any kind of way. You gotta be on probation, anything might happen.
This moment right here is huge. The judge isn't threatening him, she's warning him. 5 years of jurisdiction means every time he steals a candy bar or steps on the wrong property, he's coming right back to this courtroom. That's the legal version of your mom saying, "Try me one more time."
You already know that anything.
And we will
happens,
continue to do this until you actually get it.
I'm gonna try to make sure I come in your courtroom. That's a fact. But that ain't cool.
There's only one way. Stop picking up trespass cases. Stop picking up theft cases. You do that, you'll never see me again. I know I'm not pretty. That's all I'm asking, man.
You gotta get probation on trespass and go to.
Really? I'm not being cool? Really?
Yo, just.
I'm not being
A
cool?
year probation, and then I gotta go to a rehab. I go turn myself into a rehab anyway. But you want me to stay in
Hey,
6
look at
months?
this way. This way, I'm paying it for you. You don't have to shed out a dime. But Mr. Dieterville,
You gotta pay, you get it free.
we will continue to do this from now on. Every case you pick up, look at me, think, because every time you get the itch to do the trespass or theft case, when you see me, because I have jurisdiction for you for 5 years, I will see you. We will do the same thing.
I'll take a try.
I am so happy. Good. I'm glad that you don't think I'm cool.
Should take a try now. Well,
Hey, you know what? I'm okay with that.
I should have.
Now, you have this criminal trespass. As part of this, you will do SATF, which is the inpatient treatment facility. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this, you can never change this. You understand? Do you want to take this offer?
They help you get your ID and stuff like that? Yeah. And Social Security card too.
I don't know about social security, but there are like counselors and like recovery coaches there that help you with all this.
What do you think?
Yeah. I'm a rock in a hard spot, so I gotta deal with that, man.
Easy. And it's going to be this difficult every single time from now on.
Right now.
So you want to do this?
I gotta do, what else you want me to do? Shoot. What else you want me to do? I can't do nothing
I
else.
want you to be happy, Mr. Dieterville.
I'm getting my brother transparency. It's cool, I'm beauty fun.
Wonderful. I'm happy that you're not happy.
He finally agrees, but notice the judge's tone firm but hopeful. She's basically saying, please, don't make me keep doing this. And honestly, for someone with this record, a structured program might be the only off-ramp from the cycle. This is Justice trying one last time not to give
I'm
up on
happy that you're
him.
not happy.
Pull a gun out of something and use it to place. I trespass. That's crazy.
I know, it's
That's
crazy,
killing
isn't
me
it?
fun, man. For real.
It's crazy.
That ain't cool, man. Gotta get probation, then go to rehab. I can do to go to rehab
So
myself.
look, we have a lot of business. You want to do this? Yes or no?
How to do it? What else you want me to do?
Okay. How do you plead to the offense, sir? I will find you guilty. I'm going to wish you the best of luck in saddle. Please listen. Please take it to heart, Mr. Dieterville. All I want you to do is not come back. If you come back to me, we're going to do the same thing over and over. So get ready. I will play this game with you until we both lose hair. Good luck, my friend. Good morning, Mr. Waller. Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon while you're intoxicated. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews of the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Defendant was observed to be consuming alcohol at a premises not licensed for alcohol consumption. Officers detained defendant for the Class C violation and discovered he had 3 municipal warrants. Search incident to arrest discovered that he had a 9mm Glock concealed in a small satchel.
And you're on felony probation for a very serious case, which I gotta figure that one of the conditions is you not to have weapons. Was this pled down? Can you check to see, please?
No, Your Honor, was that put down? The
It
location.
was pled down. It was a robbery and it pled down to a theft from a,
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant the UCW. Yes, the robbery was a robbery and bodily injury that was pled down to theft from a person.
2 things, Mr. Waller. I'm gonna have you sign an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not gonna have a weapon. If I find that you have a weapon, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail every single time you have a weapon. Do you understand? I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you like crazy. If you have a drug and alcohol problem, you better address it, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you. And I promise you, Mr. Waller, you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand? Yes or no?
It's yes or no, not yeah.
Yes, sir.
I would be on the lookout. It's a matter of time now before they issue a felony warrant for your case. The fact that you pick up this, they're going to issue a motion to revoke your probation upstairs and a warrant will issue. What do you do for a living, sir?
Right now,
Sorry?
nothing right there at the moment, but I do have an alcohol license. That's what I do, sell alcohol beverages, and I have a license for it. So I don't know why they wrote it and said I don't have one, because I showed them when I got arrested.
Do you have an income?
This,
What is your income? And from where?
like selling alcohol beverages.
How is it that you sell alcohol? By what means? To a store, through a distribution? How do you sell alcohol?
like at a party, when we have parties or something like that, just go to a party and just sell alcohol.
Mr. Waller, you need a full-time job. I'm now making that the condition of your bond as well. No alcohol, no drugs. You must now get a full-time job, a legitimate job, 9 to 5. Do you understand? I'm going to give you an application today for an appointed lawyer. I will have you fill it out. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to have a weapon. After that, I'm going to have you go to Victoria Center, reset. You will meet with Tracy for your bond conditions. I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks. I want to see in 2 weeks what you have done to get a full-time job. It means putting in applications. Go to Amazon. They hire anyone. All you need is a partial heartbeat and you'll get a job at Amazon. Get a job. Do you understand? When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. Come on.